Hi there, Mark here again, and in this video I'm going to be fitting this Stickerlicker vinyl body wrap set to a Tamiya Lunchbox body. And this set was a birthday present from a good friend, Peter Smith of CW-01 Creations. Thanks, Peter! And Peter also sent this CW-01 Lunchbox body set to stick it on. So you can see on the leaflet, there are the contact details for Stickerlicker. They do all sorts of vinyl stickers for full-size cars, and this one for RC model skin kits. And this one for the Lunchbox comes in loads of different designs. And Peter sent me this Area 51 design, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, you get the stickers that will actually wrap the whole of the body, or virtually the whole body. I think that's for the back. There's the top. You've got the rear lights there, and you've got extra little stickers to put on wherever you want. So all I've done to prepare the body is to give it a good scrub down to get rid of any grease off the body itself. You can see I've done a black window surround there on the front, just painted that on. I've used some silver for the frames here, for the door handle and the keyhole. I've also done the frames for the lights at the back and the number plate in silver at the back, and I've done some orange for the indicators on the side. Now, as you can see, I've not gone to the trouble of being really close to these details. I've just daubed the paint around because the stickers are going to cover over the rest of the paint, as we'll see. So before we start, we've just got a few little tools ready. You're going to need a hobby knife, and that's just for basically getting under the sticker and lifting it off if we get it applied in the wrong place. A credit card or something similar for pushing into the little cracks and creases in the body. Couple of wooden sticks for the same, just poking those stickers down in the right place. A lint-free cloth for rubbing it down with, and I think we will need a trusty hairdryer just to soften that vinyl a little bit. And I think it says in the instructions that heating the vinyl actually does help the glue to set as well. So let's get on with it. Stickerlicker have got a YouTube channel, and there's some instructional videos on there which I've checked out, and basically it just says peel the whole sticker off. Like so. Not how I usually do it, but hey. And basically line it up with the holes in the body. We've got the hole there in the sticker, you can probably see there. And just line those up with the holes on the body, and basically start pushing it down. Just going to use this card now to push it into the crease in the panel here. Not sure about this one at the front here, it looks like it's hanging down a bit at the bottom, so luckily you can easily peel them back off and just try and raise that up a little bit. I don't know how accurate these stickers are, we shall soon find out, but I'm sure there will be some gaps around each of them. Okay, so this one definitely is overhanging. I'm going to get some heat on and see if I can push it around that curve. Yeah, it's definitely softened the sticker up, but it's not folding in that curve. I might have to trim that off. We shall get the next sticker on and see how that looks. So this one's got the holes that have got to go around the indicators front and back, and the body post holes. Okay, as I said, there are a couple of little gaps, but I don't think there's that much you can really do about it. And it still looks pretty cool. Well, I've lined that up with the handle, so I assume that that's the place it has to go. So there's leaving that ridge of white down the middle there. And obviously we've got to get this one aligned around the window to find its place. Okay, so it's a bit tricky to get that bit round the window there, but once that's in place, it's not too bad at all. So I'll just get some heat on this, give it a good press down, and I'll do the other side. So that's side 2 stuck on, and I've got to say, as I've gone on with this, I've found that pressure from your fingers and heat are your friends when you're putting this sticker set on. I found with the hairdryer in its hottest setting, it helped it conform, especially to these ridges or lines in the panels. To force that in with my fingernail. Fingernail's just about the right side to push those creases in. And I've even resorted to the flame trick, so I've used a lighter and you just heat up the vinyl. Be very, very careful. If you're not confident, don't have a go at this, but if you use a flame, you can really force that vinyl around. It really softens it up, and as you can see here, I've managed to fold it right around the inside of that wheel arch. So that's a good little tip. As I said, just be quick with the flame. If you're not confident doing that, just use a hairdryer. But I'm really loving this design. I think it looks really cool. So the two sides are different. They've got more of a purple finish on this side, and this one we've got much more blue. There's some blue down there. It's looking pretty cool. What a wrap. Let's get on with the roof. And Peter did recommend putting the thin stripes on the top first, so we'll put those on as he suggests. Put these on first, but if things don't all line up, as I said earlier, they do peel off quite easily, and we can get them realigned if that's the case. So just get on with this. Okay, so that was easier than it looks. I think it wasn't too bad. Like I say, you can lift it off and straighten things up. So I'll just get a bit of heat on it and fold it round the curves of the roof. It's getting there now, isn't it? So there we have it. It's a wrap, literally. So that's all the stickers on, and yeah, that is a lot of coverage in it. It's completely wrapped the whole shell. There's just this little bit here where the grill is, but other than that, it looks bloody marvellous, I think. Love the colours. I hope it's coming across on the video. And I must say, these vinyl stickers are really good quality. They're very thick, to be sure, but they're very strong. Like I said, you can lift them back off, put them back on again. They're quite easy to work with. They went on a lot easier than I anticipated. And I'm absolutely chuffed with the result. As I said, the only tricky part is where you have to curve the thick vinyl around some of the corners and the arches, but you do need some heat for that. And I say, if you're brave enough, if you use a flame, it really does help put them into place. You probably saw me do that one. It helps them curve round quite nicely. And what I think we need to do now is get the extra body parts on, get the windows in, get it on my lunchbox and take a final look at it. So here it is finished, mounted on the Lunchbox chassis. Doesn't it look great with those black wheels? Really sets it off. So there you go. It's a fantastic sticker kit. So if you want a full kind of vinyl body wrap, make your Lunchbox stand out from the crowd, then I totally recommend this Stickerlicker set. And as I said, it comes in lots of different designs. Check it out, stickerlicker.co.uk. So all that leaves for me to say is thank you, Peter Smith, for this wonderful gift. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, press that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.